These cheap Hoovers just now drained from the first rinse, just after the first rinse anyway, yeah. So yeah, it was drained from the first rinse anyway, yeah. It's got 9 minutes, well it's got 8 minutes left, it's got 8 minutes left anyway, yeah. And we're going for the second intermediate spin, 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 we're going for the second intermediate spin anyway, yeah. So that's all we're about to go here for anyway, it's the second intermediate spin anyway, yeah. We're looking a bit unbalanced to me, we're looking a bit unbalanced to me, we're looking a bit unbalanced to me though, looking a bit unbalanced anyway. Yeah, but yeah, we are sort of looking a bit unbalanced, so we are sort of looking a bit unbalanced anyway. Yep, bad and trash, it's first time anyway, now going on second attempt. I think this machine only does 300 jumping burst and then it goes on to rinse anyway. I think because this machine only does a 300 jumping burst anyway. There we go, now into final rinse. No, this is the final rinse stage now into anyway, the final rinse anyway. So yeah, I think the softener I'm using is Tesco's fabric softener, using the Tesco's fresh spin fresh fabric softener anyway, using the Tesco's fresh spin fabric softener anyway. So yeah, that's the softener command we're using there is Tesco's. So yeah, we are just because we're using Tesco's Springs fresh fabric softener anyway. But yeah, that's the softener we're actually using for the Hoover anyway. That's the softener we're actually using anyway, just for the Hoover anyway. I think because it's a long time I haven't seen the Hoover a lot less, because it's because I think it's a long time I haven't filmed the Hoover, because I think it's a long time I haven't filmed it. I haven't filmed it for a long time now anyway, the Hoover anyway. I like the way it sits there, pause though. I like the way it sits there and pause anyway. I like the way it sits there and pause anyway. And the spin we're actually using is 1000, using 1000 spin on that one as well, because on the Rapid we always use a 1000 spin anyway, on the Rapid 44 anyway, because we always use a 1000 spin anyway. But that's not onto the final spin anyway, so yeah, but that's not onto the final spin anyway. Well, I wish I was using the colour cycle. I wish I was using the colour cycle like Colours 40. I wish I was using the Colours 40 cycle like this anyway. Colours 40 anyway. Wish I was using that cycle anyway instead of Rapid anyway. I think because Rapid spin speed, it doesn't get enough spin though, because it doesn't get enough spin anyway, because it doesn't get enough speed anyway. I think because of the rapids, I think it's like a quick wash thingy. I think it's a quick wash anyway, and also does quick rinse as well. It's also a quick rinse as well anyway for the Hoover, because it always does quick rinses anyway. Yeah, this machine will probably do the same wall level again. This machine will probably do the same wall level again. I think it's the same wall level we would do anyway. This machine will probably do the same wall level. I think probably the same wall level we would do. Same wall level anyway. Don't know how deep that's going to go this time, but it might be that deep. Yeah, there we go. It's just medium wall level. You can see that's just medium wall level there. So I'm just filming first and then it drains anyway, but I'll stop the video when it's draining. But I will stop the video when it's draining anyway. But anyway.